Thank you. I've got a band called She's Got Spies, and I'm releasing an album in a couple of months. So I thought I would play a song which is in Welsh, by the way, in Antarctica. And this is the first time we've actually played this, so let's hope it works. Methu meddwl o'r pethau i ddweud, a methu meddwl beth i wneud. Dwi'n disgwyl mwgwd i beidio ffwrdd, unig hefodi fy nghalon wedi dweud. Methu meddwl ar y lefel, methu meddwl o'r gyfnod o nawr, a methu meddwl yn y ddinas fawr. Does dim pryder am y pan dwi wedi dianc ohono ti. Methu meddwl ar y lefel, methu meddwl Kevin, who loved that song literally in about half an hour.